Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to appreciate my new subscribers. You guys are really wonderful, and my old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to choose your handle, your YouTube handle. Okay, so I received this message from YouTube that I should choose my handle. And okay, if you did not receive this message, stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, if you already have a personalized URL link, YouTube have already reserved it as your handle. Okay, unless you want to change it, then you can choose another handle for your channel. And this is very important that you do this very quick, because once you choose a handle, nobody is going to choose it again, and you're going to be quick in choosing your handle so that another person will not choose the same handle you want to choose. Okay, so I got this message. I'm going to go ahead to click on choose a handle. Okay, so right here I'm going to click on choose handle to choose my handle. But if you did not receive a message like this, I'm going to show you how to choose your handle, okay, or change it. Okay, so right now YouTube have already choose a handle for me from my URL link, because I have a personalized URL link. So YouTube have already chosen a handle for me, which is online tech boss lady. Okay, but I'm going to change that handle. Okay, but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's go ahead to choose your handle and to change your handle if you want to change your handle. Okay, so to do this, you're going to open your browser, open your Chrome browser, and type in youtube.com/handle. Okay, so you're going to make sure that the email in this browser is the one you use to open your YouTube account. Okay, so right here this have taken me to this place, and you just have to tap on choose handle, and you can see right here, like I said earlier, YouTube have already chosen a handle for me. Okay, at online tech boss lady. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm selection or cancel. Okay, so to change it, you're going to tap on it. Okay, this is the one that YouTube choose for me. This is the one that YouTube choose for me. So I want to change it. I want to change my handle. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this handle, and I'm going to choose Lady Boss. Okay, I'm going to choose Tech Lady Boss. Okay, okay, so I've chosen Tech Lady Boss as my handle. Okay, so I'm just going to click on confirm selection. You can see it has appeared on my channel, Tech Lady Boss. Okay, so this is how to change your handle or choose a different handle, confirm your handle, whichever one you want to do. This is how to do this. You have to be very fast in doing this. Let's assume that somebody have already chosen Tech Lady Boss. YouTube is not going to allow me to choose this, so you have to be quick to choose your handle before someone else will choose it. You can see my channel name is different from my handle. Okay, so you can make these changes or you can leave them to be the same. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you find this video interesting, kindly click on the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you will always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, all right, see you in my next video.